Hey guys, this is Steven Smith with MarineMax here in Houston, coming to you with a 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. Really excited to do a quick walkthrough and show you guys all the great features on this boat. Starting at the bow of the boat, you've got two large compartments here that have coolers built in underneath of them, as well as flip down armrests here for a little added comfort when you're lounging up front. This boat does have an automated windlass, which is an automatic anchor system with a remote here. And then you also have your controls on the dash so you can drop anchor at the touch of a button. And really removes the painstaking process of pulling anchor every time. There's a storage compartment there as well as a ski locker under my feet. When you look at the floor, you'll notice that we've got a new option for 2019, snap-in SeaDeck flooring all throughout the boat. It looks really fantastic. They did a great job. It's a really cool feature we're excited about this year. You've got a walk-through wind block here for those colder days where you can get a little extra protection from the wind in the cockpit, as well as some extra storage here underneath of the helm, which is also where your tables are stored that you can use for when you're eating some food on the boat or another place to add some drinks. As we move back to the port side of the boat in the head compartment, you'll notice we've optioned it with a full vacuum flush head. There's a little sink in there as well. This boat does have a freshwater system on board. You'll see that's the bow filler cushion there, so you can turn the bow into a full lay-down area. And really unique feature about the 270 Sun Deck is these seats. They've got bolsters on both the captain's seat and the passenger seat, but they also have the ability to slide back and turn the cockpit into a big, wide, open area. As we move over to the helm, you'll see we've optioned this with the touchscreen SIMRAD display, which is also a chart plotter, fish finder, depth finder, and all your engine information. We've got the brand new Fusion Apollo head unit here, which is a touchscreen. Really exciting head unit with a ton of features this year. Of course, tilt steering is standard, and you have digital throttle controls for the Mercury, which this boat's optioned with the 350 horsepower Mercury Outboard, which is the max power for this boat. Great performance for tubes, skis, ton of people on the boat. You can have a great time with your family on the lake. The great pull point for this boat is going to be the tower that we've also optioned on this boat. It's got the water sports tower. And as we move back to the cockpit, you can truly see how big it is back here and how much room you have for all your family and friends to go out on the lake. We've put the LED lighting package in the boat. Fusion stereo standard this year. Tons of storage. You've got a cooler that comes with the boat from Sea Ray. They really just knocked it out of the park with this boat, and it's a great way to get a lot of people on the lake and have a great time. As we move to the back of the boat real quick, we'll talk about this rear sun pad, which has some natural leg rests that come up. You can see the Mercury 350 horsepower outboard. You've got a freshwater shower here and a rear remote control for your stereo. Tons of features, a lot of equipment on this 2019 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck outboard here at MarineMax in Houston. Come see us today.